In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Supplier Aging Report. First, click on Report, Supplier Report, and Supplier Aging Report. Here you'll be required to fill in your preferences for the Supplier Aging Report that is going to be generated by the system, such as the aging date, the preview report format, the type of supplier, and your selected supplier if any. You can also choose whether or not the report should show the supplier aging detail. So let's say I want to view the supplier aging report for the supplier Bunga up until today. For aging date, I'll select today, and for supplier, I'll select Bunga, which is over here. For preview report format, I'll select Crystal Report for now, and for the supplier type, I'll select all. After I'm done filling in everything, I'll click on Generate. And as you can see, the system will generate for me a supplier aging summary report for the supplier Bunga Sendiang Berhad. In this report, you can see details such as the supplier code, supplier name, the current aging, the aging for a month, 2 months, 3 months, and 4 months and above. You can also see the total amounts, the payments, advance, and balance. Now, if you would like the aging report to be more detailed, you can go back up here and check the Show Supplier Aging Detail checkbox. Once you do so, you can regenerate your report. And as you can see, the report will now include the documents that contributed to the aging report. The extra details include the document number and their date. If you would like to download this report, you can click on the download button over here. And if you would like to print out this report, you can click on the print button over here. Other than that, if you would like to export this report into an Excel file or PDF file, you can click on the 3 buttons over here. Clicking on Export Excel Data and Export to Excel will export this report into an Excel file, while Export to PDF will export this report into a PDF file. So that's it for the Crystal Report Preview Report format. Now we'll move on to the Grid View Report format. So after I select Grid View, I'll regenerate my report. And as you can see, the Grid View Preview Report format is slightly different than the Crystal Report format. While the column details remain the same, the report is presented in a table instead of a whole page. If you would like to view more details about a particular supplier, you can find them in the list and click on their supplier code. Doing so will bring you to the Supplier Master Edit page for that particular supplier, where you can view their information in more detail and even edit their information. So going back, just like the Crystal Report format, if you would like to view this Grid View report in more detail, you can check the Show Supplier Aging Detail checkbox up here and regenerate your report. And just like the Crystal Report, the report will now include the transactions that contributed to the aging report, along with their document number and their invoice date. Following that, if you would like to view a document in more detail, you can find their document number in this list and click on it. Doing so will bring you to the respective edit page of that particular document, where you can view that document in more detail and even edit their information, just like the supplier just now. Going back, if you would like to search for a particular keyword in this table, you can utilize the search bar up here. So let's say I want to search for the keyword 134. As you can see, the system will return to me all entries with 134 in any of their columns, as you can see right here. Other than using the search bar, you can also filter out the entries based on column values by going to your selected column header and clicking on the funnel icon. So let's say I select these 3 and click on OK. The system will filter out the entries based on my selection. Additionally, if you would like to collapse a group, you can also find it in the table and click on the little arrow. After clicking it, the group will collapse, and if you would like to expand it, you can click on it again. Finally, just like the Crystal Report Preview Report format, if you would like to export this table into an Excel file or PDF file, you can click on the 3 buttons over here. Export Excel Data and Export to Excel will export this table into an Excel file, while Export to PDF will export this table into a PDF file. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.